Hello, my name is Robinson Hernandez Alcalde. Today I am going to talk about for the course is Colombian education. The topic is bilingual education in Colombia. Okay, this work is aims at the process of aiming for the bilingualism in Colombia, involving in the English and native language. Okay, this is the recognition for the linguistic and cultural and diversity and to language or more language. But it is what the important, but it's when I tolerance and the respect for the represents. But this is currently to be I the culprit said in Colombian Hispanic language, but it's predominant and not in native language in cultural. But the other language is different the religion, but it's the country and particularities and languages and Colombian indigenous population is overlooked. Okay, but it's the focusing in the English language, but it is open doors, but it's I can help the country in the process of university communication and global economic and opens. But I remember this is not all because in the government entities have a process, but I take into account what institution and principles of linguistic and cultural diversity. True, but it's the education, the policy for the indigenous and crawl communicators. But is however, and this have been of the generate inclusive language environment. The bilingualism in the international renown and language, in the other hand, is the a minority American and crawl language has generated been understand. mm, it is important, but it includes a more egalitarian perspective in relation, but its language policy equal condition must be promoted in the both language as more these Colombian academics had. mm, it is it is not that some institutions have complement approach but generates both external and internal bilingualism but many question remember, but is the teacher must be sensitive or to cultural implication of the they teach, not only the area on social studies, but also in the other current areas and coherence institutionality intercultural the policies or intercultural relation must be created as the help students and teachers. Mm, as well, the school, but its administrator understand the principles, bilingualism, and the bilingual education.